Unbox your Matthew Mercury timepiece. Every watch comes with a printed user manual. You can also download the digital version anytime on our website. Take your watch from the box. You'll notice a protective film across the crystal. Peel it away to reveal the clarity of sapphire glass. Next, remove the small crown guard, placed between the crown and the case. You may also see blue protective stickers on the crown and buttons. These layers shield the polished surfaces from scratches during packaging and transit. They can be removed immediately or will naturally fall away after a few wears. To prepare your watch, gently pull the crown to its middle position and set the date. Then push the crown fully in to start the movement. The small second hand on the lower dial begins its permanent motion. Finally, turn the watch over and remove the protective film from the caseback, revealing the artistry of its true finish. With these simple steps complete, your Matthew Mercury timepiece is fully set and ready to accompany you.